Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jack and Amma. I'm Jack, your English teacher.
And I'm Amma, the student who makes all the mistakes so you don't have to.
Today's lesson is about something that scares more people than public speaking, ordering coffee.
Jack, that is dramatic, but also not wrong.
I'm serious. So many of our viewers told us I can have a full conversation in English, but the coffee shop, I freeze.
Honestly, I have a confession. I tried to order coffee like a real American last week. It did not go well.
Oh no. Should we show them?
Please don't.
We're showing them.
Fine. But after this, we all learn the right way, okay? Nobody else has to suffer like I did.
Deal. Let's go. Hi, what can I get started for you today?
Coffee?
Sure. What size? Tall, grande, or venti?
Medium?
We don't have medium, ma'am.
Then big one?
Okay. Hot or iced?
Yes.
That's not really an answer.
I just wanted to leave at this point.
And that, everyone, is exactly why we're making this video.
I walked out with a cup of hot water and ice on the side. True story.
We are fixing this right now. Let's decode the secret coffee language.
First, sizes. This confuses everyone the first time.
Because the small size isn't even called small.
Exactly. At most coffee shops, sizes go tall, which is actually small, grande, which is medium, and venti, which is large.
So tall is small? That's basically a trap.
It does feel that way, but just remember, tall, grande, venti, small to large.
Tall, grande, venti. Got it. What if I just want the small one, with no confusion?
You can simply say, "Can I get a small coffee, please?" And the barista will translate it to tall for you.
Oh, I don't even need to use their words?
Exactly. That's the secret nobody tells you.
Next, hot or iced? Easy question. But somehow people panic, like I did.
This one's simple. They're literally asking if you want your coffee hot or with ice.
So I should have just said, hot please, or iced please?
Exactly. Or you can say, "I'll have it iced." Both work perfectly.
Why did I say yes to that question? Why?
Next, milk options. This is where it gets a little more advanced.
Oat milk, almond milk, soy milk, oh my.
You can simply say, "Can I get that with oat milk?" Or, "Can I get that with almond milk instead of regular milk?"
And if I just want normal milk?
Just say, "Regular milk is fine." Nice and simple.
Regular milk is fine. I can do that one.
Next, extra shot. This means extra coffee, extra caffeine.
So if I'm extremely tired, I say, extra shot, please?
Exactly. Or, "Can I get an extra shot of espresso?"
This is the most important phrase in this entire video for me, personally.
And finally, sugar and sweetness.
This one actually makes sense. Can I get less sugar? Or no sugar, please?
You learned that one fast. You can also say, "Can I get it sweetened with honey?" Or, "1 pump of vanilla, please."
1 pump of vanilla? Why does coffee have pumps like a gas station?
Welcome to Coffee Shop English, Amma.
Quick recap. Can I get a small coffee, please? Hot, please. Or iced, please. Can I get that with oat milk? Can I get an extra shot? And can I get less sugar?
Okay, I think I'm ready to actually order now. Now let's put it all together. There's actually a simple order you can follow every time.
Wait, there's a formula? Why didn't you tell me this before my disaster?
I'm telling you now. Here it is. Drink, size, milk, extras, hot or iced. Drink, size, milk, extras, hot or iced. Like a recipe. Exactly. Let's build a sentence together. Start with the drink.
Can I get a latte?
Good. Now add the size.
Can I get a small latte?
Now the milk.
Can I get a small latte with oat milk?
Now any extras.
Can I get a small latte with oat milk and an extra shot?
And finally, hot or iced.
Can I get a small latte with oat milk, an extra shot, and iced, please?
Perfect. One full sentence, zero panic.
I actually feel like I could survive a coffee shop now.
Let's also cover a few backup phrases, just in case.
Backup phrases? Like emergency exits?
Kind of. If you don't understand a question, just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
Sorry, could you repeat that? That would have saved me so much embarrassment.
And if you genuinely don't know what to order, just say, "What do you recommend?"
The waiter phrase from our restaurant video. It works at coffee shops too.
Exactly. And if your name gets called wrong on the cup, don't worry. Just say, "That's me," and move on.
Wait, do they really spell names wrong on purpose?
It happens to native speakers too. It's basically a tradition at this point.
Hi, what can I get started for you today? Hi, can I get a small latte with oat milk, an extra shot, and iced, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Can I get 1 pump of vanilla too? And less sugar, please.
Got it. Can I get a name for the order?
Amma. A-M-M-A.
Perfect. That'll be ready shortly.
Did you see that? No panic. No yes to hot or iced. No walking out with hot water. Just one smooth, confident sentence.
That is how you order coffee like a true regular.
From disaster to confident in 18 minutes. Not bad.
Okay, we'll describe a coffee situation. You say the correct phrase before we give the answer. Question 1. You want the smallest size available. What do you say? Correct answer? Can I get a small coffee, please? Question 2. You want your coffee cold with ice. What do you say?
Correct answer. Iced, please.
Question 3. You want more caffeine than normal. What do you say?
Correct answer. Can I get an extra shot, please?
Question 4. You didn't understand what the barista asked. What do you say?
Correct answer. Sorry, could you repeat that?
How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments below.
If you got all 4, you are officially ready to walk into any coffee shop with confidence.
And that's a wrap. Today we survived and fixed my biggest coffee shop disaster.
You learned coffee size vocabulary, milk and extras phrases, the perfect order formula, and backup phrases for emergencies.
If you've ever had your own coffee shop disaster, and I know you have, tell us in the comments. Let's laugh together.
And please, like this video, share it with a friend who panics at coffee shops, and subscribe if you haven't already.
In our next video, we're tackling fast food drive-thru English, because trust me, that's a whole different kind of chaos.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, English with Jack and Amma, where every lesson is a new adventure. Bye-bye!